Candid. New trends in English Reader. Book 1. At the fun fair. At the fun fair.
Hi, I am Jerry. Meet my mother. Father, grandfather. Grandfather's old friend, Mr. Ben. My sister Tina. Twin brother Jeff. We are at the fun fair. Everyone is having a good time. Oh, look there. Wow, Mother has won a bottle of jam at the tin and bottle stall. Let's see, where is my father? Okay, there he is. At the shooting stall. He shot 5 balloons stuck on the board at one time. And yeah, won a brown teddy bear. He is trying his luck again. He wants to win the bicycle, which is the grand prize. And see, Grandfather is at the tea stall already. He must have a cup of tea at 4 o'clock. He is having a chat with his old friend, Mr. Ben, over his cup of tea. Tina, my 6-year-old sister, is on the roller coaster with her school friends. Tina
Click on the correct answer. Bravo! Right answer. That's not right. Bravo! Right answer.